Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace, and with me now is Andy Schmidt, Vice President and Global Head of Retail Banking for CGI, and we're going to be talking about the importance for banks to communicate with their customers digitally. Hello Andy, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you.
Now there's no doubt the banking value chain is transforming, so with this could you tell me what role do the big techs and retailers play here?
So right now the big techs and the retailers are really setting the standard. They understand our customers better than we do. So with open APIs and the ability to share information, make better use of this information, they're really poised to move more fully into the market, to start providing the types of products and services that banks currently offer to them.
All right, and would you say then that banks are doing enough to protect the customer base?
Well, they're off to a good start. So the apps that the banks are creating are providing really the gateway to gain access to this information and to gain access to the products that the customers are looking for. What they really need to do, though, is to act more like the retailers do now, to leverage that information to become much more personalized. For example, the Amazons of the world know based on your behavior and behavior of people like you, what products you might be interested in, and what products you should be thinking about, products that you may not even know existed. Banks need to move to this type of data usage, this type of connection with their customers in order to retain the customer base, and they need to figure out a way to do it in a more secure fashion.
All right, and finally then, how do you suppose banks should go about doing this?
Well, it's a juggling act. So we've got all this wonderful data. A lot of that data comes from the compliance side of the house, and that data is meant to protect your information, protect the bank from harm. And that information really allows one to figure out what types of transactions are you already engaging in, what types of things might you need as a result. So being able to harness that data to perform pattern matching, to perform even more importantly, predictive types of analytics, predictive types of offers, and do so in a way that is more human, more personal in its approach is really where we need to go. Now, the danger, the worry, is that this type of data use walks a very thin line between helpful and creepy. So being able to deliver that type of personalized service, that high-touch service through a digital channel in a way that doesn't alienate is really where we're going to be fine-tuning, I think, the types of offerings. First step, figure out what people are doing. Second step, figure out what they need. Third step, deliver it in a way that they feel comfortable and really take advantage of, leverage the trust that they have with the bank already.
Fantastic. This has been really insightful. Thank you, Andy.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.